after our bread is all soaked in our mixture, all we're gonna do is we're gonna take a skillet over medium-high heat.
Just wait, before Brody gets started, I just want everyone to know that Deputy Chief Taylor over here he worked the butter really well.
Yes.
He got his skills from the hibachi.
Academy of Blackstone, yes.
He's also a black belt in hibachi.
Yes.
So.
Yes.
Only with butter.
He only worked the butter table.
Okay.
Okay, and we're gonna lay our French toast here. We're gonna let them cook for about a minute on each side.
I don't know, Chief. I think after watching you flip those French toast, we might have to change it from Deputy Chief to Deputy Chef.
Yes.
We might have to make a consideration of a career change.
Running the streets of Roswell and running the kitchen.
Toast at a time.
One French toast at a time.
Take these off the griddle and get ready to plate them.